Did Duckling Gets a cookie? Words and pictures by Mo Willems.
I do not like the look of that title.
Hello. Scooty scoot scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts.
Hey, how did you get that cookie?
I asked for it.
You asked for us?
Politely.
Say, does that cookie have nuts?
Yes.
So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking?
Politely.
I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know? I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I'll ask for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking, why? Why? Oh, there is more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg and asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie?
So I could give it to you.
And another thing. What? You're giving me that cookie?
With the nuts.
That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Yes, sir.
Bye. May I have another cookie, please?